Hi 8th graders, I just wanted to create this short video about your new Mathematician Gram project. This first section is just going to describe what it is, and then there will be a small how-to at the end of the video. So to start, you will be assigned a random mathematician, and then you will create an Instagram account for whoever it is that you are assigned. Once you know your mathematician, you will research their life. Your account will show their life in 6 images, and the captions that you create will show what you have learned about them. Your score will be based on a rubric, and you will need to cover each piece of the rubric in your Insta account to get full credit. So full credit for this project is 30 points. You can get 10 points if your project has 7 different photos to represent the mathematician's life. That would include the 6 photos as well as 1 profile picture. Information needed, 6 captions, and that each caption describes a different part of your mathematician's life, and that your captions are historically accurate and informative. So you didn't just make up something, it has accuracy and it tells us information we need to know. Your organization is the last 10 points, just making sure that your page is organized and the template that I will provide you was used correctly. Some possible information to use in your captions is their lifespan, the city that they lived in, what are they famous for, were they married, did they have kids, did they have a strong following, how do we use their theorems or whatever math they're famous for. Are there any careers that use concepts that they've created, or just anything else you find interesting about them? This is the template. It shows you and gives you little hints about what you need to be doing, and I will show you that more in depth when I do my how-to. And this is the second page where you'll have your 6 little photos as well. Here is an example if I was doing Pythagoras. So see, I have a profile picture, and then I have some information about him in his bio. I created this tag for him, so his username. I made up followers for him, and then I chose 6 pictures that I thought represented his life, and here is an example of one. So remember when you're doing this to be creative and have fun. Here is a closer look at the template. So it has text boxes for you to type in. So add your screen name right here in this text box. Then it says your profile picture goes here in this little circle. Use the mask tool on the menu bar. So if you were adding a picture, you would just click on the mask tool. When you double click the photo, it would create that, and then you're able to choose a shape. Your post goes here. There's a text box available for your caption. Use hashtags or emojis to have some fun with it, and then your image of the post goes here. So if you need to crop it, you have to just double click on it in order to crop that. So you will have 6 of these, and in order to create a new one, you would just go over to New Slide and choose that same layout, that Instagram post layout. Then you will have one of these home screen pages. So here you will again click to add your screen name and then that same profile picture you already created. This section says your first and last name go on this line, so that would be the first and last name of your mathematician, and then your profile description goes here, so whatever information you think would be fun to have in their bio. Then these 6 blocks should be the 6 different posts, like miniature versions of your 6 previous full Instagram posts, so that we can see those 6 little images. And remember, you can double click on a picture to get those black trimming tools so you can crop it or you can shrink it down. I also have my example on the template so you can look at it again, and this example as well. So remember to have fun with this, be creative. If you have any questions, let me know.